Hey everyone, today I want to do a review on the Allin Box for GoPro 7 Hero Black. This product is a charger, it's a micro SD card reader, and it's also a storage box. It's made to be used with the GoPro Hero 7 Black as it's written here, but it's also good for the Hero 6 and Hero 5. I noticed that Telesin just came out with this a couple of weeks ago, so I bought it and tested it, and I was so impressed with it that I want to do a review video basically. First disclaimer is I'm not getting paid to make a video to say anything good about this. This is all honest review. So what is an Allin Box? An Allin Box is a storage box for your batteries and your SD card. It could store up to 3 GoPro batteries and 3 micro SD cards. It is an SD card reader at the same time. So you can actually plug this up to your computer and transfer files directly from your SD card to your computer. So that's very, very neat. It sure saves a lot of room in my bag when I'm on the go. So let's unbox this and see. So when you order this product, it comes in a white box like this. Very, very nice. It's a very nice box, and it's very similar to that of quality of an Apple product. I package up similar to how the factory sent it to me. So we're gonna have an unboxing experience together. You open the box up and it's very nicely wrapped on the inside. Here you have the charger, USB-C cable, and manual. First, let's talk about the Telesin box. The Telesin box comes in gray. This color is for GoPro batteries, and on the outside it's made of silicone. So it's really, really comfy to the touch. It feels really good. You press this little button here to open it. On the inside, you have 3 charging slots for your batteries, and then 1 micro SD card reader, and then 2 storage slots. So this is very, very nice, especially if you go on a long trip. This is all you need to take with you with extra cards. On the back side, you have a USB-C slot, which is very nice because USB-C will allow you to transfer data a lot faster. So this is what it looks like. The batteries that come with the Allin Box are also very nice batteries. I've been a Telesin battery user for a while now, I guess for the last 8 to 10 months. I actually use this every weekend, and most of the time I don't like to use third-party batteries, but these are very comparable to that of official GoPro batteries. The charge time is about the same, the usage time is about the same, and the price is a lot better. That's what comes in the system. This product only comes with a USB-C charger cable, and so to charge it I use my iPad charger, plug it in the wall, plug this in here, make sure that your batteries are in here correctly, and then open up the back side, plug it in, and it will remain red like this until it's charged. Once it's charged, it will turn green. So this is actually pretty cute in my opinion. Well, so here's the product, and to finish up what I was talking about on the charging, you can use your cell phone charger, your iPad charger. It can handle up to 5 volts and 2.4 amps. It will charge all 3 batteries between 2 to 3 hours, depends how many you have in here. The more you have in here, the longer it will take. Personally, I really like this product because 1, it feels good, it looks very cute, it's very easy to use, and it's very easy for me to travel with. I just put my batteries in here that I need, put my spare SD card, close it, and put it in my bag, or strapped it on the back of my bag, and it's ready to go. The silicone around the product is actually very nice because it is IP54 rated. So it's splash proof. So if you have it outside or have it on a trip or something like that, it actually keeps your electronics safe. I took this on a boat last week, and we actually had a little bit of flashing on it, and it was just fine after that. So I really like that. Another reason I really like this is it saves me from having to have multiple products with me at all times. Right now I have to have the SD card reader, I have to have a charger, and I have to have some storage. This is actually my workflow right now. Here's my charger, charging cable, batteries, and my SD card reader is in my backpack. So it's a lot to carry with me when I'm on the road or I'm going on a short trip or something like that. So this is actually very nice. This is all I'll need and some extra batteries and it's good to go. So bottom line is I recommend this product if you're in the market for some extra batteries for your GoPro or a charger. I think it's a very useful tool to have with you while you're on the road. I'm not getting paid to make this review or say anything nice about them. I really am just enjoy this product. So this is a genuine review. I'm actually making these reviews for my YouTube channel. I'm gonna put the link up here. Hopefully you stop by and check it out. All right, thanks, bye.